When everything comes together. A person comes in initially, they've usually had a pretty bad day, and they need help. And we start the communication at that point in time, knowing at the beginning there are really very few questions we can answer. Every question is legitimate, it's honest, it's sincere, and it's logical that people have about their fears and what they're going through and what the future is going to hold. And at that time, we can answer some of those questions with some specifics, but not typically. We can give some sense, though, as to what logically will likely occur based on the experience we've had in the past and the knowledge of how these issues typically run. At that time, we also start making decisions, start monitoring issues that are going on, to start recognizing, if, for example, a health insurance issue, and the best way for that to be handled. So when the matter is resolved, the decisions made early can come together at the end to maximize the value of that person's recovery. And when all of that comes together, it may be a short period of time, depending on the nature of the person's injuries and treatment plans and such. It may be years and years. It may be at a trial as it all comes together, and having a jury agree with the claims that are being brought, in spite of the defense presenting a different version of facts or a completely different version of theories that we just really don't accept, and have a jury agree with us. That's the most rewarding when it comes together, because it doesn't just come together overnight. It comes together from the beginning, and the process itself develops, and making decisions along the way to adjust to the process as it develops, always keeping the end game in sight as to how hopefully things will come together. And when that does, that's terribly rewarding, because at that point we know we've helped people, we put them in a position that perhaps they never could have imagined being in, not having forgotten that they started the process by coming in after having a bad day. Something had happened. And when we can put someone's mind at ease, that at least financially, if indeed that's the nature of a claim, financially their mind can be put at ease about the future. And along the way, they felt good that they've had communication with us, and although we couldn't answer many questions specifically at the beginning, more and more questions could be answered over the course of the pursuit of the claim, then that's a very rewarding experience.